Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel My Little Paradise. So today's video is going to be on how to grow your chrysanthemum more bushier. So without further ado, let's begin with the video.
हिंदी के लिए 4 मिनट 10 सेकंड में जाइए. For growing your chrysanthemum bushy, all you need to do is 2 steps. First is pinching and second is you have to weekly manure or fertilize your plant.
So here I have a 4-week-old plant and as you can see it has got 8 to 10 leaves.
Start pinching your plant when your plant has 8 to 10 leaves. Just pinch off or snip off the tip portion of the plant as shown. And you are done, that's it. Now at every leaf node a new branch or shoot will be appearing. As in this plant I have 10 number of leaves, 10 new shoots will be appearing. So here is a plant which is once pinched.
So here is the pinched branch as you can see, and as you can see more 4 to 5 numbers of shoot has emerged.
When this secondary shoot will have 4 to 5 number of leaves, all you need to do is pinch it off again. That's how your plant will be bigger and bushier.
Use your fingernails and just pinch the tip portion of the plant. Pinching your plant 4 to 5 times will make the plant bushier. This will encourage new shoot growth and as a result, there will be a numerous numbers of bud at the end of October. As you can see here I have more plants. These all are sucker plants. I have let them grow a bit longer so that I can take cuttings from them. So this plant over here has grown pretty long and it's a sucker plant. So it has got 12 to 15 numbers of leaves. So what I will be doing is, I will just take a cutting from this plant. I will be propagating this cutting and it will grow to a new individual plant, whereas on the old plant, new shoots will be arriving. Similarly, I will cut this plant also. It's pretty simple process. All you need to do is just keep on pinching. And the plant will definitely be bushy after 3 to 4 pinching. If you buy chrysanthemum saplings from the market, do the same. Just grow it taller, take a cutting and propagate it. And hence you will end up with a lot of plant.
This pinching operation is a guaranteed process to get a huge number of buds. You may get from 200 to 500-600 number of buds per plant. Beside pinching, make sure your plant is in a big size pot with good amount of soil and you feed your plant weekly basis. All these 3 factors affects the growth of the plant. Next few minutes of the video will be in Hindi. For knowing about what to apply to your plants for making it more bigger, skip to the timestamp which is provided in the description box below. So आप आपके plants को बड़ा यानी bushy कैसे करें? एक सिंपल सी ट्रिक है. Just pinch it off. जस्ट आपके नाखून की मदद से हर एक टहनी की ऊपरी हिस्से को निचोड़ ले, जैसे कि वीडियो में दिखाया गया है. ध्यान रखिए कि थोड़ी सी स्टेम आनी चाहिए, पत्ती नहीं. इसी को ही पिंचिंग बोलते हैं. पहला पिंचिंग होनी चाहिए 4th वीक में. जब आपके प्लांट में 6 to 10 नंबर्स ऑफ लीव्स हो.
अगर आप उस प्लांट से एक कटिंग लेके उसको प्रोपागेट भी करना चाहते हैं तो प्लांट को बढ़ने दीजिए थोड़ा लंबा। जब लंबा हो जाएगा तब आप उसको कटिंग लेके प्रोपागेट कर सकते हैं। पिंचिंग करने के बाद हर एक लीफ नोड यानी पत्तों की जड़ों से एक एक ब्रांच निकलेगा। यही ब्रांच को आपको बढ़ने देना है 4-5 लीफ स्टेज तक। जब 4-5 लीफ हो जाए तब फिर से आपको पिंच करना पड़ेगा। यही पिंचिंग ऑपरेशन 4 बार करने से आपके प्लांट्स बुशी हो जाएंगे। ऐसे ही आप आपके प्लांट्स को बुशी बना सकते हैं। ये प्रोसेस करने से आपके प्लांट्स बुशी होंगे और बहुत सारे बर्ड्स आएंगे। 200 से 500 तक आराम से फूल आ सकते हैं। इसके अलावा भी 2 चीज़ दिमाग में रखनी चाहिए कि प्लांट एक बड़े से पॉट में हो और दूसरा हर हफ्ते आप प्लांट में फर्टिलाइजर या मैन्योर अप्लाई करते हो। Next comes what fertilizer or manure to be applied. So here is an alkaline solution to make the soil alkaline. The link of that video is in the description box below. We have to apply this solution twice a month by diluting it at 1:10 ratio. That is 1 mug of this solution will be added to 10 more mugs of water. इस सॉल्यूशन को हमें मंथ में 2 बार पौधों को देना पड़ेगा। ये सॉल्यूशन बनाने का वीडियो मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है। नेक्स्ट कम्स ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर। The alkaline solution should be applied 1 day before applying this organic manure. This is because the bacteria in the organic manure will faster its decomposition process when the soil is alkaline. This is the homemade organic manure. The same homemade organic manure which I posted last week. If you have not checked it out, please go and check it out. The link is in the description box below. We simply need to apply this organic manure every week and we are good to go. So here is a quick update of my plants. So here is a bonus. Here are some of the snaps of my rooftop garden from last year. That's all for today. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.